Hello, my dear. Need not speak, for I have the answers you seek. Life ahead is timeless fortune. But for you, I do for free. Okay, I, Mains by Mell, will be sharing with you my ideas, my creativity, the answers. You know I have the answers written in my cards. Yes, today I see endless possibilities. Not that one. Maybe not that one. But these ones are all good. And I'm going to be sharing them with you not just today, but throughout these next few weeks leading up to the greatest time of the year. Yes, I see lots of good fortune and candy coming through. Oh, it's happening! It's happening! It's a Baseball Mell edition! Happy Halloween! Yep, there's a lot to come. Today's look, a fortune teller. I picked up a new bonnet and I got inspired to create this look. So I'm gonna actually show you a few different headdress styles to create your own fortune teller. And here are a few. You could always make this a hat style. Right. You can do a side pony. You can switch up the headdress from a bonnet to a headscarf. Realistically, for the outfit, all you need is some flowy clothes, all the jewelry that you own, and a lot of glittery makeup. Or you can take any bonnet you may have, try to match your color scheme, and take it to the next level. Okay guys, so this was just a quick little intro to the Halloween season. So you can expect quite a few videos like this and lots of inspiration. To close off this video, you will see a montage of previous Halloween costumes I have been to inspire you guys to be whoever you want to be and get some good costume ideas that I had put a lot of thought into and poured my heart into. Remember, it's not just the costume, it's the character.
First things first! Where's your shitter? I've got a turtle poking out! I'm not kidding. I've got a crap on deck that could choke a donkey. I didn't have any corn. You know when you go to an apartment building and you smell everyone's cooking on each floor. You go, what the hell are they cooking? That plus crab. Smell like hot, sick ass and a dead carcass. I'm unhappy because I eat. I eat because I'm unhappy. It's a vicious cycle. Get in my belly!
When someone you barely know asks you a personal question.
None of your business!
The Siamese Twins.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next Tuesday.
Okay guys, so thanks for tuning in to the video.
No, okay. Life ahead is timeless fortune. Rhymes.
Fortune, abortion.
No. Within the weeks to come, what's mine will be yours, son. More fun. Ow, ow. No, pony. Breakage, breakage. Ow. My hair's crazy right now. Fucking noises in this goddamn house. You know, it's in the cards.
No, I don't say you know.
You know I have the answers.
I don't see the word uno.